I'm a firm believer in hands-on learning, and the curriculum at ITE gave me plenty of opportunities to gain knowledge and skills through direct and authentic experiences. In my first term, I did well enough to be offered an accelerated pathway that enabled me to graduate 9 months ahead of my cohort.
We recognized Damien's potential early on and provided him with guidance and opportunities that aligned with his aspirations in both sports and community engagement.
During my internship at Saw and Light Archery, I applied what I learned in school to gain valuable experiences in team management. I also hosted introductory sessions for new clients. Thanks to my education at ITE, I'm confident that I will excel in the field of sports and movement science.
I decided to pursue a technical diploma in beauty and wellness because I benefited so much from my NITEC and high NITEC courses. I had the opportunity to apply technical skills in the prosthetic nose project, aimed at helping cancer patients. I went on a 2-week exchange program in Hong Kong, where we visited HK VTC campus, attended lessons with VTC students, and explored the beauty industry. During my internship as a beauty therapist at Eurolab Aesthetic, I specialized in facial treatments, skin lightening, and other beauty services using advanced treatment machines.
Such internships are invaluable. Farhana had the opportunity to work with actual paying customers, which helped her to build strong professional competencies.
I'm so proud to be among the first graduate cohort from Technical Diploma in Beauty and Wellness Management.
I have always observed how vision problems could have profound impact on the lives of people. This motivated me to help improve the quality of eye care, which is why I enrolled in the NITEC in Opticianry course. My internship at the leading Japanese eyewear brand Owndays allowed me to put into practice the knowledge and skills I learned in school while working with real customers.
Valerie has a strong motivation to succeed. She's very hardworking, proactive, and a good team player. She will engage with customers who seem uncertain, offering them her advice and ensuring attentive service throughout their experience.
As the president of the Leo Club, I lead my team in the Befrienders program at the Lions Home for the elderly in Bishan, where we participate in vision screenings events. I'm thankful for the support from my school and supervisors, without whom I would not have had so many opportunities to excel.
So I always had an interest in the marine industry, so ITE itself has provided me with a lot of opportunities to gain insights into the marine industry, as well as hands-on learning experiences at shipyards and RSN. So during my internship at RSN, I spent majority of my time here, about 1 month in ST Marine. So I've observed planned maintenance operations on RSN vessels and gained hands-on experience collaborating with workers on production tasks. So in school, I was the Vice President of AI and Automation Club. With that, I actually have the opportunity to lead my club members in various competitions. So we won a bronze medal at ITE 6 Sense competition in 2024 and has reached the finals in the ITE Digitalization and Sustainability Challenge, which is Gen AI in short. As part of the YEP to Nasik in Thailand, I contributed to the construction of a fiberglass boat that was donated to the fishing community to enhance their fishing efficiency and increase their income. My dream is to make a meaningful impact in the field of marine engineering.
I've always believed in hands-on learning, which motivated me to apply to ITE. I interned at Homogeneous, where I focused on deploying smart home devices, working with customers to provide innovative solutions for their home needs.
Pravin's exceptional work ethic and dedication to excellence earned him praises from his mentors, who highlighted his outstanding performance and contributions to the team.
In my first year, I had the opportunity to collaborate with a team of Year 2 seniors on a project that utilized AI to identify plant deficiencies using image analysis. We were proud to win the Lee Kuan Yew Technology Award for our project. I also led my own team at the International Exhibition for Young Inventors, where we won a gold for the same project. Being part of the first graduating cohort of the 3-year High NITEC program, IT has played a crucial role in shaping my career path.
After graduating with a high NITEC in electronics, I went to serve my national service. Upon completion of NS, I began working as a technician at ST Microelectronics, but I wanted more. When IT announced the launch of the work-study diploma in Microelectronics, I knew it was my chance to transform my future. Balancing work and study were not easy, but I pushed myself because I wanted to fulfill my potential. Every obstacle I overcame increased my confidence and self-worth.
I've seen Iman develop in his character and also advance his technical skills throughout his internship at ST Microelectronics. His newly acquired competencies have enabled him to undertake expanded job responsibilities with confidence and proficiency.
I hope to inspire and support other youths facing similar challenges. I want to show them that there is always a path to achieving something significant in life through persistence and lifelong learning.
I graduated with a degree in computer science and became a software engineer. After several years, I decided to transition into precision manufacturing to support my family business. But I found the work challenging because I didn't have a foundation in engineering and the technical knowledge. It was difficult to manage operations and supervise production processes to maintain quality control. I realized I needed to equip myself with the necessary expertise. I enrolled in a NITEC in Aerospace Machining Technology under the Continuing Education and Training mode at ITE. My training at ITE has been transformative. I am now well positioned to take on a leadership role in the company, focusing on improving production efficiency and exploring opportunities for business expansion.
Thank you, ITE.